We Indians have a habit of giving nicknames to the ones we love, and when someone comes to India, we make sure they feel at home. Just like that, everyone in India calls Nick Jonas National Jiju, and Nick Jonas has finally explained why most Indians and many Priyanka Chopra fans address him as the National Jiju. To know what he said, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas married in 2018 and now have a lovely daughter named Malti Mary Chopra Jonas. Both actors have a huge fan following all over the world. However, in India, Nick gets a special treatment, a special title from the fans. Even the paparazzi in India have different names for the American singer. However, one common nickname that most Indians use to address Nick is National Jiju. Recently, Nick Jonas appeared on The Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon. On the show, Fallon showed a clip from the Jonas Brothers concert in India. In the video, Joe and Kevin Jonas called Nick Jiju on stage. Fallon also asked the Jumanji star what the term National Jiju is and why people call him that. Nick Jonas told Jimmy Fallon that when he married Priyanka Chopra, a hashtag named National Jiju started trending on social media. Jiju, which translates to elder sister's husband, signifies that Nick is considered the elder brother in India. Whenever Priyanka or Nick post pictures, several fans start commenting with the hashtag National Jiju. Under their post, Nick appears to enjoy the attention this title brings. A few days ago, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas visited India for Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding. The Dostana actress danced a lot with the Baratis. Nick was being the best cheerleader for his wife. The couple didn't stay long, returning to the US a few hours after the ceremony. On the work front, Priyanka Chopra's last Hindi movie was 2019's The Sky is Pink. Directed by Shonali Ghosh, the film also stars Farhan Akhtar, Zaira Wasim and Rohit Saraf. PC has appeared in several Hollywood films, including We Can Be Heroes, The Matrix Resurrections and Love Again. Priyanka was also a part of the Netflix film The White Tiger, which stars Rajkumar Rao and Adarsh Gaurav in the lead roles. Her upcoming projects include two Hollywood movies, Heads of State and The Bluff. Nick Jonas, on the other hand, appeared in a documentary on his band with his brothers called Jonas Brothers. His next project is a Broadway musical titled The Last 5 Years. Well, what do you think about Nick Jonas being the National Jiju, and how much do you like Nick and Priyanka's cute bond and marriage life? Do let us know your views in the comment section below, and for more such latest updates, do follow our page.